Are you tired of scrolling through a messy Discord server? Learn how to create a category and add text and voice channels in under 2 minutes. We'll start by creating the category, then add a text channel and then a voice channel so you can see the full setup in action. First, head over to your Discord server. Now, right-click on an empty spot in the sidebar. From the menu, choose Create Category. Go ahead and type a name for your new category. Optionally, if you'd like to restrict access to specific roles or members, toggle the Private Category switch. Then click Create Category to finish. Next, hover over the new category and click the plus button. Pick Text Channel, then enter a name for it. Click Create Channel to add it. Once more, hover over your category and click the plus button. This time, select Voice Channel. Give it a name in the field. Then click Create Channel, and that's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.